Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Jessamine Zambra, 24 years old. I live from Narala South, Cotabato, Philippines. I am a Catholic, a graduate of Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in Food Service Management. I also have a training certificates from housekeeping and caregiving. I have a live-in partner and one daughter, ages 5 years old. I have served a 3-member of family from my previous employer. My previous job was to take good care of a 7-year-old child, help with the homework, do the house chores including the cleaning, laundrying, ironing, and cooking. I am a patient person, a caring, loving, and responsible. I can also do the multitasking, and I am always willing and open to learn. Thank you.